Hello, dear friends. I have prepared a very interesting and tricky traffic rules test for you. Who gives way to whom at an intersection? Which vehicle driver will be the last to pass through the intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the green car. 2. The driver of the truck. 3. The driver of the yellow taxi. 4. The driver of the blue pickup truck. Analysis of a task. At an unregulated intersection, the drivers of a truck and the blue pickup truck intend to turn left, the taxi is going straight, and the green car is turning right. There are no priority signs, but this is by no means an intersection of equal roads. First, the taxi is leaving an adjacent area, as indicated by the end of residential area sign. Second, the truck is leaving a dirt road. Let's read the traffic rules. The main road is a paved road relative to a dirt road or one that is marked with signs. The presence of pavement on a secondary road immediately before an intersection does not equate it in importance to the intersecting road. So, the drivers of the blue and green cars are on the main road. They will part ways according to the traffic rules. Before turning left or making a U-turn, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to a tram traveling in the same direction, as well as to vehicles traveling on an equivalent road in the opposite direction straight ahead or to the right. That is, the driver of the green car turning right will go first, and the driver of the blue pickup truck turning left will go second. When pulling out onto the road from a residential area, courtyard, parking lot, gas station, or other adjacent areas, the driver must give way to pedestrians and vehicles moving on the roadway or sidewalk, and when pulling out of the road, to cyclists and pedestrians whose direction of movement he is crossing. Thus, the drivers will move off in the following order: green car, blue car, truck, and taxi. The correct answer is number 3,
Wow.
the driver of the yellow taxi.
Oh, yeah.